Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be doing a little bit of a different video since I'm in that time frame where I'm just kind of waiting for things to pick back up with my TTC journey. I'm just going to put out something a little bit different. So I'm in my daughter's room right now. Typical mommy mode on a Saturday morning, and this is going to be like a part of my Saturday morning routine video. And getting my house in order on Saturday is ideal. I went to bed super late last night, so my morning in terms of being as productive as I could be is not going in that direction yet, but I'm going to go ahead and just do like a mini Saturday morning cleaning routine. And this is like mom version because obviously I'm a mom with a toddler, and that makes things interesting when one is trying to complete any kind of routine with a little one around. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to jump right in and I'm going to take you guys for the ride. So I'm sure you guys are wondering why this room is such a hot mess, but the real problem of the matter is just trying to organize all her clothing into correct sizes, meaning things that are too small need to just get put away, things that fit her needs to get put up, things that are next in line that she can wear should be readily available at hand, as well as the things that are way too big should just get put away in a bin. And yeah, and also laundry. We've got fresh laundry in the mix, in the thick of things. So yeah, that's what's making this room so chaotic. Not to mention we've got the toddler that is taking out books and taking out toys and everything all around, and it just makes it that much harder to get it done. But it does get done. This room is not very big to begin with, so it does look chaotic, having all the bins and things that I'm also trying to work with in there. But you know what, like, beggars can't be choosers, and so I just got to make do with what I have. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more cleaning videos on this channel. So you guys, the way I had her closet set up, it seriously didn't make much sense. I don't know. I originally wanted to get those, what do you call it, those divider things to indicate what months are which, but I still haven't gotten around to that. But anyways, I had her shirts from one side leading towards like dresses and stuff, and then coats to this end, but I found that I wasn't really coming in here and grabbing a lot of stuff. And things were getting hidden, so I'm trying to actually I think I'm going to put the coats in this direction, and then I'm going to put more of her clothes in the center. That way whatever is in the center I will grab and will be able to see more of what she needs. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up real quick, and then I will proceed to take out things that are no longer fitting and swap them out with a bunch of stuff that I have kind of lying around that need to get hung up. So in case you're wondering where I'm throwing these, I'm actually putting them in a really large black bin that you could have seen in the first clip. This bin contains all the things that no longer fit baby girl, but it's a bin that I will have to go through eventually to kind of decide if I want to keep all that's in it, which I'm pretty certain I do not, for the next baby. So yeah, I'll have to do that in another video, but that's what I'm doing at the current moment. So it's clearly the next day, guys. I did not get it all done. Not in that day, not the next day, but that's how we roll sometimes. As you can see, I'm still trying to tackle away at this room. It looks even messier now, only because I've taken out more clothes that I had to sort, so there's just more things. But in all honesty, I'm getting closer and closer to my ultimate goal. So this video might actually be in 2 parts, but stay tuned for part 2. It will be out shortly. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to give it a big like.